So welcome guys on another tutorial from Classic Games United, right? And in this tutorial today guys, I will show you how to play Spec Ops The Line on multiplayer again. I know many of you all love this game, and this game has so many positive reviews. And when I went on Steam to see, they said here Spec Ops The Line is no longer available on Steam. Alright, so that means you cannot purchase it again, and the online wouldn't work because the servers were shut down, and without Steam you wouldn't be able to play online, right? So I'm gonna show you an easy step how to get the game working online again, so you can play with you and your friends, right? Now I'm doing all these tutorials to help you guys. If you want, subscribe. It's up to you guys, but I will appreciate this if you all subscribe, right, to this tutorial. So without wasting time guys, let's get into the video. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, since you won't be able to buy the game again, you'll need to find a copy of the game, but you don't have to worry about that. I will add the game to Google Drive. So once you join my Discord server, I will give you the link, and then you could download the game, right? So this is the game here. Alright, I will make sure and put it to Google Drive so you could play. Now I could start at the game now and show you something. Alright guys, so in the game now, right? And we'll go to here, and the username will be Codex, right? But you wouldn't really be able to play online because you wouldn't be able to play online. You see, you need to be signed to Steam and not in offline mode to access Steamworks matchmaking features. Alright, so you see, you can host on LAN, but LAN doesn't work so much, so you will need to host on Steamworks, right? So I'm gonna show you how to fix that, right? So I'm gonna quit the game guys, and I'm gonna be back. Alright guys, so you're gonna need the Spec Ops The Line online fix to make this game work online, right? So all you would just do is copy all the files from here, open up where your game is, right? And you just make sure this window is small, and just drag and drop the place, and this should be here. Alright guys, so we're gonna start at the game again. Steam is not running, so if you see this error here, that means you have to be running Steam, right? So go to where Steam is. Alright guys, so Steam is here. Sign to Steam. Alright, make sure I sign to Steam guys for this to work, right? So this is my Steam account here. Alright, so you can start the game again, and it's supposed to... Alright, it's supposed to work now. Alright guys, so once you go back into multiplayer, alright, so that's my name there from on Steam, and now you can go to Steamworks, You could go to private match and then you could host a game, and it's supposed to work. So supposed to take into to the map. Alright, so you could begin the match now. Alright, and there you go, guys. Online is working again. So in order for your friend to join, they must have the same Steam fix, and you have to host a match. So I don't have anyone to join as yet. This tutorial is not to show you all I don't have anyone to test this with, but it definitely works, guys, right? And also, if you want to fix the bad field of view, I'm gonna show you how to fix the field of view as well, right? So if you're like me and the player is too close like this, it looks really horrible, guys, right? I'm gonna show you how to fix that now. Alright, so pause the game. Alright, guys, pause the game and I'll be back. Alright, guys, in order to fix that horrible widescreen, that horrible field of view, you'll need to download flawless widescreen, right? So let's go to here. Type in flawless, and just go to here, guys. It's very simple, and you're just gonna download it. Alright, choose this one and just download and install it, right? So once you're done and install it, now click on it. It should open up. Look for Spec Ops the line. Alright, look for Spec Ops the line. Alright, and then you'll just adjust your field of view here, and then once you remember to just to select this, or from down here, you have to select it from down here. Alright, it will be down here. So all you do is just click on it, then you will just find the game. It will find the game automatically, and you just choose your field of view. You adjust your field of view, and then once you go back into the game, field of view should be fixed. So as you see, the field of view has been fixed. So you see, guys, it's working. So the field of view has been fixed, and you can now play the game. You can now see the whole player. Alright, it's much better than the last it's much better than what we had from before, because it was close up. You cannot see the entire player, but as you see, it's working, right? And this looks like a very fun and good game. The graphics is good, and even the gunplay and stuff is good. So if you want to play this game, guys, don't forget to join the Discord server, and maybe we could have some matches going. Alright, so yeah, the maps and everything on this game is so good. As you see, the sandstorm and everything, you know, it's real realistic. They don't have no other game like this with these kind of maps, with the sandstorm and these things. It's a very unique game, and the story is good, everything. So guys, if you wanna play this game, don't forget to join the Discord server, and I will be looking forward to seeing you all there. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you all enjoy my tutorials. I always do these tutorials to help you guys, because I know this game has been delisted, and a lot of you want to play this game again online with friends, with family. So this tutorial is for you guys. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I will see you next video to come. Right, Classic Games United out. Alright guys, don't forget to mention how to invite your friends. So you go to Steamworks, go to invite friends, and your friend must be on Steam. All you have to do is just send any invite, click on any name, I will just choose a name, and once they see the invite, they will be able to join the match. Alright, so that is how you invite your friends, and that is how you play online. Alright, so I forgot to say that this part, so I just want to let you all know. Alright, so I'll see you next tutorial to come, guys. Bye.